Listen, I be seeing people like this with their hairline all the way this way. Listen to me, that is not cute. Who got hairline like this? Like, I mean, some people. But unless it's not natural, like, don't do it. You feels me? What's really good, mi gentes? Welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my 3 video. It's not really a challenge. It's like a put out. I don't know how to call it, but I'm putting out 3 videos this week. Lashes, how to prep your hair for install, and how to install a wig. So right now I have my wig. I got it from, where did I get it from? It said One Move, but that's not where I got it from. That's just the package that it comes in. It comes with a wig cap. This wig cap is it's a mesh wig cap. I'm not really feeling it. And it also comes with this little thing right here. I guess it's the thought that counts, but come on. I'm not going to be wearing that. And this is what the wig looks like, honey. Honey. So, let me just try it on for you guys just to see. It's a 360 lace over lace. As you can see, it has like tracks and stuff sewn in, but the perimeter is lace. Let's see. Ooh, that's cold. Oh, that was cold. Ooh. Don't do this first thing in the morning because you might fuck around and catch a stroke or some shit because it's so cold. Do this on cool air because you don't want runs in your stomach.
I saw a fly. Hello.
To do like a I'm gonna try to do like a different hairline so I could look like a whole new person. I want to look like them video girls. Okay, listen, I be seeing people like this with their hairline all the way this way. Listen to me, that is not cute. You know those chimpanzees from Planet of the Apes? That's how some people be looking with their hairline like this. Like, who got hairline like this? Like, I mean, some people. But unless it's not natural, like, don't do it. You feels me? You feels me? So put your hairline at a nice distance and then go from there. Okay, this is good. I really don't think so. Hold on. Why the freaking thing all the way in the back like that? Like the combs and stuff. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna take my Got To Be glued, the black one, obviously, but just in case you're not paying attention, I wanna, tell you what color it is. And then I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm going fairly close to the stocking cap. And I'm also going to go on top of it. What's up, boo? Now I'm going to do a second layer. Okay. This is good. Let's go ahead and cut these layers. Let's cut this. Ooh. I forgot to cut the lace in the back. Damn it. Oh well. Let's see how this hair fits. Thank you, baby. Let's see how this. Alright, so I'm gonna take the thing and I'm gonna start from the middle. Right here. Okay. I need to stop cutting myself because I keep cutting myself. Alright, I'm gonna start fairly, just to get rid of the excess. I like how natural this hairline looks though. It's like pre-plucked already. let's go ahead and make a part right here. Ooh. I love how flat this lay, because my pet peeve is seeing people with their part going up, and I'm just like, yo, nobody's part goes up like that, bruh. Like, lay your wig down right. I'm not really gonna do anything with the hair itself, because I really like how that curl is, how the curl pattern is. My other video, oh, let me do the swoop right here. Oh yes, honey. My face feels so smooth, because like I mentioned in my other video, I went ahead and I shaved my face, and ooh, it feels so good. People think like, oh, if you have oily skin, which I do, I have very oily skin. If you have oily skin, you're supposed to use like a oil defying type of toner or products and stuff like that, but I use stuff that's gonna give me oil, because it combats it, you know. So when you use something like witch hazel, I used to swear by witch hazel until I watched this esthetician on YouTube. It was a black girl, pretty black girl, and she was like, don't use witch hazel if you have oily skin. And I was like, oh. So she recommended Pixie, and I went ahead and I bought it, and you guys, have never looked back. It's really good, I'm telling you. If you want me to do a video on my skincare, let me know, because I have a video up, but it's how I got rid of my acne. You guys, my acne was horrible. Horrible acne. And I got rid of it. Yes, honey. Okay. So I just used some of the same mousse. In fact, let me use some of this. Gots to be. Grab it like this, just for my flyaways. And you guys, she is done. I'm about to do my other video for the lashes, do my whole makeup and everything. And in fact, I won't do makeup. I look cute without it. So I'm just gonna do the lashes tutorial. So if you want to see what that's about, stay tuned. Here it is. This is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think about it. I love the hair. It's not thick. It's like it's a very good and believable type of density. So if you're walking down the street, ain't nobody can tell you this is not your hair. Yeah, so that's it. I really hope you guys like this video. Like I said in the beginning, the description of everything is gonna be in the description. That didn't even make no sense. Where I bought this wig is gonna be in the description bar below. So check that out. I'll leave a link to the website and to the hair if I could find it. And thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I love y'all. Bye.